There are some parts of a vehicle that we really take totally for granted. Some of them we do not even see until they fail, and then we say, "How did I not see that?" Well, one of these unsung heroes are the window scrapers or window felts. These are usually rubber-backed strips that run horizontally at the base of any window that goes up or down. They are on door windows, rear side glass windows, and tailgate windows that retract. They usually have some sort of a flecking or soft fibrous substance that is adhered to them in the manufacturing process. Some even have a metal substructure as their first layer that allows them to retain their shape over the years. They are held in place with screws that lie beneath the scraping surface so they do not scratch the window glass. Be sure to warn your customer that these must be installed completely. These scrapers serve several purposes. In colder environments, they remove frozen elements from the window when they are lowered. They also remove water when raining or after a car washing. One of their big tasks is to seal the door area below so limited water finds its way into the inside of the body panels. Lastly, they can scrape any loose dirt off the glass when lowered. There is not a lot of maintenance possible on these items. One thing that should be done periodically is to remove any dirt that has built up on their surface. This will keep the glass from being scratched by the scraper. A damp towel is probably the best. When your customer is replacing these, new screws or rivets, in some cases, can make the job easier. Most times, the inner door panel will need to be removed, so any interior removal tools can be a great suggestion. Failures of these are usually due to age. Anything you can offer your customer to simplify the removal will go a long ways towards customer satisfaction. Thanks for being with us, and I'll see you next time.